Hi everyone, it's Megan here at W&L Subaru, and this month it is the Subaru Loves to Care through the month of June, and I want to talk to you about this event because it's extra special, it's heavy on our hearts, but also it fills our hearts knowing that we can make a big difference here in our community. And we are partnered with our Geisinger hospital system and partnering with the Blood Cancer United. So this month, we'll be delivering 80 blankets to our patients that are receiving treatment at Geisinger. And what's so neat about these blankets is during the treatment, they're about 4 hours on average. And these blankets help keep them warm, help make them feel loved, knowing that someone is thinking of them and giving them that comfort and support during their treatment time. We also are going to be delivering 50 patient care kits, which include an activity book, with coloring pencils here, a collapsible water bottle to stay hydrated during your treatment, a stress relieving ball or heart, and some warm fuzzy socks that also have some non-slip grippy pads on the bottom as well while we're in the hospital for the visit. A sleeping mask in case you need to get some extra quiet time while you're in there, and then a cooler bag to take any needed essentials along with you to your appointment.
All of us at W&L Subaru want you to know that you are not alone. We hope that these warm blankets and messages of hope from our Subaru family help bring you warmth, love, and support.
And one more thing to add for the month of June, you can help support those in your community living with cancer by visiting bloodcancerunited.org and giving an online gift. For every dollar you donate, from now till the 30th of June, Subaru will match up to $100,000 in total.